Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the region on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the App Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Then tap on the name of your Apple account. Now just confirm using your Face ID. And from here, you will find the option of country or region. Just tap on it. And from here, you can select any other region. Now from this list, just select your other region. For now, I will select Australia. Then tap on continue. Now just tap on agree. Now in the payment method, just select none. Now just fill the details of your region. In this section, just enter the name of your street. Now in the postcode section, just enter the postcode of your region. Now in the section of city, just enter the name of your city. And in the state section, just select the state of your region. Now in the phone number section, just enter your phone number. Now once you enter your details, just tap on done. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the region on our iPhone. And this is how you can change the region on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.